here. I need little love and little sympathy. Hi. 10:06 a.m. Okay. Sunday. On a Sunday. And मेरा केक हल्का सा डिग्रेड हुआ है, just so you know. And although I was planning for apple and chocolate because मेरे पास कुछ और था नहीं. I ordered strawberry जो कि हल्की हल्की हरी हरी है. With topping. And vanilla essence. तो अपन को इसको पानी में मिलाना है. क्या मैं इसको दूध में मिला सकती हूँ? क्या मैं पानी में मिलाऊं? पानी में मिलाती हूँ. ओके. इन अ टॉल कंटेनर, पर टॉल तो कंटेनर है नहीं अपने पास, तो मैं एक चौड़ा कंटेनर लेकर आती हूँ. ओके, चौड़ा. So I'll do this first and then I'll make strawberry crush because इसको ठंडा भी होना है. Alright. Then say cold bottle 100 ml under normal circumstances is equal to 100 grams. This is 50 gram. इसको हमें double amount 100 ml में करना है. So I'll try to show you things without my camera equipment. A little ASMR. लगाओ. ये हमने मिला लिया के अंदर. और क्या लिखा है इसमें? डिसॉल्व. ये देखो, पढ़ लो. ठीक है, पढ़े लिखे जनता पढ़ो. Any time you have to dissolve, you either use a whisk, or if you don't have a whisk, use a fork. I mean, because it would whisk well. But क्योंकि मेरे पास whisk है. Dissolve हो चुका है. Now it will be refrigerated for 15 minutes. Okay, अभी हो रहे हैं 10:16, तो 10:31 पे हो जाएगा. ठीक है, 31. I've put it in the freezer and now strawberry. And here we go with our strawberries. I'll cut it and then I'll wash it. Okay. Actually, I've got literally गिन के 6 strawberries. Freshly washed strawberries. So I'll cut it small. Since I'm making a syrup, I'm thinking I'll make a chocolate ganache. Ganache, named whipped cream basically, but chocolate wala. So I have this, which is compound, and I have 99% dark cocoa. जो कि खाने के लिए तो नहीं बना है. Just so you know. मुझे मेल्ट करना है, फिर मुझे इसको ठंडा करना है. ओके, तो 2 काम करते हैं. तो मैं इस पे गनाश मेल्ट होने के लिए रखूंगी और स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रश बनाऊंगी. उसको पैन में रखूंगी, ऐसे रखूंगी. I'll put a little water and I'll put strawberries inside this a little water. Basically, I do not exactly understand the difference between complete compote and strawberry crush.
Between cocky, condescending, conceited, and classes.
But what I'm basically doing is boil the fruit, put in a little bit of cornstarch and quite a bit of sugar. I'll put sugar थोड़ा सा later because sugar डालने के बाद वो जलता है. I'll use इतना cornstarch like a teaspoon. इसके लिए आपको फोक की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि ये आपके चम्मच से मिल जाएगा. I'll see if I'll need more. Sugar, yes please. Would you come and put it down on me? I'm here. I need little love and little sympathy. Make a good one, make me alright. Need a little goodness in my life. I think I'll be using 100 grams of chocolate, I guess. Dark chocolate ganache I'm trying to make. वही तो है अभी, इसलिए मैं आधी हाथ को खप करती हूँ, एकदम शांति होती है. So there was about 20 grams of this. Using 100 grams, I think 100 grams of cocoa dark chocolate compound as well. This is 56. Yeah, this is fine. Meanwhile, हमारा oat crush thingy, which basically is a strawberry cornflour slurry, ये almost बन गया है. डबल बॉयलर में सिर्फ मैं चॉकलेट मेल्ट करने जा रही हूँ गाइस. डालना है दूध का, तो आई यूज दिस दूध का मलाई ऑन इट इन इट. What I have to do is I have to find the video of chocolate ganache. Chocolate ganache.
Simple ganache is just chocolate and cream. Get to the one ratio.
So I need a 1-to-1 ratio, which means कि 50 grams of that, 50 grams नहीं, 100 ml water में मैंने 50 grams रखा, so 150 grams of that would require 150 grams of 2-to-1 is for making truffles, तो बहुत ज़्यादा गाढ़ा हो जाता है. Whipping cream में मुझे 1-to-1 ratio. So if that is 150 grams or ml of water and 50 grams of chocolate, sorry, 150 grams of water, so if that, I'll use ये इसका बाकी बचा हुआ half block, this block. This is like 30 grams, which means putting it in would make it 130 grams of it. I need a little bit more corn flour in it because it is very runny right now, and this is going to melt soon. So I'm basically realizing that मुझे chocolates को और छोटा छोटा काट के डालना चाहिए था, क्योंकि उसको मेल्ट होने में टाइम लग रहा है और वो थोड़ा स्मूथ नहीं बन रहा है. मेल्टी स्मूथ नहीं है. मुझे एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि मैंने पहले मेहनत नहीं करी. दिस इज अ लेसन फॉर यू गाइज फॉर लाइफ. अगर तुम पहले मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो तुम्हें बाद में प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. तो डू द करेक्ट मेहनत व्हेन द टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड. ऑल्दो मेरे केस में मैं बोल गई ठीक है, मैं बहुत मेहनती इंसान हूँ. राइट, सो दिस थिंग इज बेसिकली डन. इट लुक्स लाइक अ ब्लैक गू. इट लुक्स लाइक वेनम in patila. Now I just realized कि मेरा whipped cream ठंडा करने का फायदा नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मेरा चॉकलेट तो इधर है. मैं गरम गरम चॉकलेट ठंडे ठंडे whipped cream में डाल रही हूँ because इसको whip करने से पहले मिलाना होता है. Let me take out my most favorite tool of all time. This. So this is like a काटने वाला spatula जो कि मैंने रात में भी यूज किया है. This as a tool is like the amazingest thing ever. इसमें वो इतना smoothly wipe up होता है. Like sometimes it looks like it has been cleaned if you do it good enough. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand?
One eternity later.
So clean, so clean. See. हाथों से नहीं हो पाता ये. अभी मैं whipped cream को इसके साथ मिला रही हूँ तो मुझे ये मिक्सचर ठंडा करना पड़ेगा. Because the thing is कि ठंडा whipped cream ही whip हो पाता है. Whipped cream नहीं है, whipped topping है, but basically same thing. So when I say whipped cream, understand that this is whipped topping. Wow, Adi, you're so smart. Mama will be proud. बॉर्नवीटा जैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है, थोड़ा लंपी भी है ये. अब मैं क्या करूँ? इसीलिए बोलती हूँ आस्था, थोड़ी मेहनत पहले कर लिया करो, बाद में कम मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. अब मैं इसको बैठ के See, you can boil it. It's just that it has to be really chilled when you're whipping it, because if it's not chilled, it won't form a peak. It would just melt. Okay guys, all the chocolate has been evened out, and as the preppy kitchen guy would say, look at this luscious decadent chocolate. I think it has to cool down now, so I'll wait for like half an hour, I guess, half an hour ish. So I basically have to cut my cake in half while I wait for my mixtures to chill. And since I'm feeling very daring today, I'll go ahead and try to cut another layer, because why not? this has cooled down enough, and it has been barely 15 minutes only because I'm an impatient person by nature. I can put it back in there, like between whipping, so that it gets chilled again for another whip for like 5-10 minutes each में. So that's alright. See, चश्मे पे लगा. See, I'm ready. Are you? पता नहीं मैं ऐसी क्यों. Here we go. So basically, as I whip it, it will become lighter in color and increase in volume, like at least double, if not more. Guys, actually ना, I think ये वैसा फ्रॉस्टिंग बन नहीं रहा है जो मुझे बनाना था. उसमें पीक नहीं आ रही. अब मैं क्या करूं? There should be a stiff peak. मेरा stiff peak फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है फिर से. रोना नहीं चाहती, बट मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है अभी. मैं इसको फ्रिज में रख रही हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए, and I'll repeat again. I've ordered more whipping cream वाला powder. I'll try making whipping cream first, and then I'll mix it मेरा chocolate ganache उसमें. So, borderline panicking, but I'll just drink coffee and wait for Zepto. I'll manage. Mix 1:1 cold milk. Whip it for 3 to 4 minutes at high speed. Recommend to be kept in refrigerator 15 minutes before use. One prepared the liquid. I'll do this, and let me just do all these repeated steps quickly. What will I do with the rest of it? We'll see later. Oopsie! एक दो चम्मच दूध ज़्यादा बढ़ गया. Wow, Adi, you're so smart. Mama will be proud. I think I'll manage with 109. Whisk. So मैंने इसको mix कर लिया अच्छे से. Let me put it in the freezer. Meanwhile, we'll work on this. Okay. This thing has chilled बहुत बढ़िया से. At this point, ये basically का ice cream बनने वाला है. Ice cream. Let me try for the last time. Let's go. This is it. I'm not gonna whisk it more, and the more I whisk it, the more runny it is becoming. So I'm just gonna leave it at this. Take a separate bowl. I've ordered more strawberries to make the topping. I'm putting a bit of this strawberry jam confit thing, and I'm putting a bit of this. एक तो ये थिकन हो जाएगा, दूसरा स्ट्रॉबेरी एंड चॉकलेट का टेस्ट अच्छे से इनकॉर्पोरेट हो जाएगा. Not like a lot, but like I'm putting in 3 scoops of it. And also मैंने जो वीडियो देखी थी for strawberry dark chocolate cake, उसमें भी यही करा हुआ था, तो I'm following it. Although I'm not sure, but okay. But I have saved अलग से strawberry का layer as well in case this does not work. एकदम runny हो गई देखो. Let me layer it, because अब मुझे मछली है चुल. तो let me put it इस पे and spread it. There's barely any strawberry in here. Great. Strawberry incorporated chocolate, which basically is a very runny layer. सब कुछ सही करने के बाद जब बीच में गड़बड़ होती है तो बहुत गुस्सा आता है. I'm putting in chunks of strawberry, इसमें से निकाल के. I put my strawberry on this. इस पे हम लोग फ्रॉस्टिंग डालेंगे. Okay. So this thing has been chilled. Okay, let's see. This is what I wanted. See, this is not falling down there. This is stiff peak. This is like if you keep it like this, okay? See, it's not falling. It's very hard to flick it off. This is what stiff peak is. This is what I chill it before use. Okay, so now I have cut and washed my strawberries. This is whipped cream now. I realize now that I might have overmixed it. That is the issue. You do not overmix. Once you overmix, you can't undermix, and I have done it twice. I cannot tell you how my greatness knows no bound. Again. Why? Oh my god. The only smart thing that I have done is to keep 50 grams aside for later in case I fuck it up. I think I knew I'm gonna fuck it up internally. So एक जहन में होता है ना? Yeah, I think I knew internally कि आज तक तो चैन नहीं है एक बार में. 6 cents का था. I have to put it to 92. ठीक है. It is done. दाल होने को ये ठंडा हो गया है. दाल रख दिया है क्योंकि मैं 4 घंटे से यहाँ पे काम कर रही हूँ और 4 घंटे नहीं हुए बट 3 घंटे तो हो गए हैं एंड लंच बनाने का टाइम आ चुका है. 3 मिनट ओके. That's all it will take. Yes, this is done. Do not overmix it. Let me take half of my vanilla frosting, half of my chocolate ganache. Mix it. Basically, it has to be chocolatey enough, right? This is like a light chocolate color, light brown. Now the final part. Let's assemble the cake. Down. Let's see. Oi. It would have been perfect. It basically means that I'm gonna make it again. If this was MasterChef, I would be really panicked right now because my cake is sliding a bit. I'm just a little sad. Basically, it is done. There's a lot of leakage from the sides. Exactly now. On the sides, वो नहीं लगा. Yeah guys, this is my cake now. Doesn't look as polished as I wanted it to. You see it from the side, but if you see it from the top, it's very pretty. So from the top you can put it in the market, but from the sides you can't. But I think it's fine only. It was my first try at a full-fledged cake with my hand mixer, so that's that. I did good, I guess. मेरे बालों में कहीं पे क्रीम लगा हुआ है. मेरे कपड़ों पे चॉकलेट लगी है. यहाँ पे. Spoils of my wall. I have got this is chocolate ganache. This is strawberry mixed chocolate. This is normal whipped cream, जो कि मैंने set aside कर दी थी, but it is like stiff enough for it to be used. Strawberries कटे कटे, chocolate ganache mixed with whipped cream. ठीक है? This is the final result, guys. It's from the side pretty okay.